Hello, welcome to the channel. Today's video is a neutral full makeup look, perfect for dark skin because of the color tones used. So in this video, I'm going to use Drugstore makeup. Starting off, I'm going to start with a primer. I'm using an hydrating primer because I have a dry skin. Basically, you select your primer according to your skin type. Then apply a liquid foundation. And then blend in using a brush. I've already done the lining and filling in using a brown pencil. So now I'm just cleaning using a lighter shade of concealer, which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm using the same concealer on the lower and the upper part of the eyebrow. Then use the same concealer on the rest of the eyelid to create a canvas for the application of eyeshadow. So I'm just cleaning the outside part of the eyebrow using the same concealer. And then for the eyeshadow, I'm using a dark chocolate eyeshadow as a transitioning shade. Transitioning shade of eyeshadow helps to blend in the rest of the eyeshadows together. And then cut the crease and then clean it using concealer. And then apply a neutral beige color on the cleaned area. So I'm just packing in the color using the flat part of the brush. And then blend the two colors using transitioning shade to eliminate the sharp contrast between the two colors. And help the two colors blend in smoothly. I'm using a little bit of a color correcting concealer for highlighting. And follow up with an highlighting concealer, which 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, to highlight under the eyes, the chin, and the forehead. And blend in using a damp sponge. And then immediately follow with translucent powder to set the concealer to prevent it from creasing. And then set the rest of the face using setting powder, avoiding the areas which I've already set using a translucent powder. And then contour with a darker shade of powder. And then applied some blush to add some color. and then set everything using a setting spray, and then followed by application of mascara. And then apply highlighting powder. I outlined the lips using a brown pencil and then applied lip gloss. Apply some highlighting powder on the tear ducts to open the eye. And then finally did a tiny wing liner. So that's how it turned out. Until my next video, please share, like, comment. I will see you in my next video.